Hi guys! Today on Divas Can Cook, we are making one of my family's favorites, and that is breakfast pizza. We're gonna load it with a ton of cheese and a whole bunch of fresh toppings. Listen, whatever you like on your omelet, it will work on breakfast pizza. So good, quick, easy, perfect for a crowd. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, so first let's talk about the crust. We're going to use a pizza crust. Now you can use homemade pizza crust. I have a video on how to make homemade pizza crust. You can go to the store and get this crust right here from your local grocery store, a bag of pizza crust. You can use this little store-bought bag of pizza crust. So many different options, but you know which option that I like? It may surprise you. This right here. Yes, I prefer canned pizza crust for this recipe. And I'm going to tell you why in just a minute, okay? All right, so go ahead and oil your little baking sheet. Spread it out. So we want to make sure that our crust does not stick. So a light, very, very light coating of olive oil will do. Okay, so now we're going to unroll this pizza crust and place it into the pan. Just stretch it into place. Now, I love using this tube of pizza crust because normally I don't like this stuff. I don't like it for regular pizza because it's too fluffy. It has just always reminded me of a cross between a biscuit and a pizza crust. But for this breakfast pizza, it is perfect. I love the fluffiness. I love the stability of it. So it works great. And I love that I don't have to make a pie crust. You know, I can make this really, really quick and easy in the morning time. And I like that too. Okay, so now I'm going to get my little fork and poke a few little holes in here just so it doesn't puff up as it bakes. All right. Wonderful, wonderful. I have my oven preheated to 400. So I'm going to bake this crust about, I don't know, 12 minutes just until it starts to brown a little bit and get all nice and golden like this right here. That is perfection. Okay, now you can brush it with a little bit of butter if you want to. I usually don't. Okay, now let's talk about the toppings. I went ahead and prepared my toppings. You can use whatever you want to use. I'm using a little bit of tomato, onion, peppers, bacon, sausage. This is what my family likes to use. And for cheese, I'm using some smoked Gouda and some cheddar cheese. Okay, perfect. All right, so now let's go ahead and prepare our eggs. A whole bunch of eggs. Just go ahead and crack all of those eggs into a bowl. Now you guys, this recipe, oh my god, it works so good for like a brunch. You can cut this up into little squares, put them on a platter. It works perfect for brunches and it disappears so quick. I love, 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 love a easy breakfast recipe. Okay, there's some heavy cream going in to make my eggs all fluffy. I'm going to add in some salt and pepper. You can add in some onion powder, garlic powder if you want to, but I like to keep it simple here. So yeah, salt and pepper, that's all we really need. Now I'm going to whisk this around, whisk it really, really good until everything is uniform in color. You don't want any streaks of, yolk. It should be nice and uniform like that. That looks good. Okay, so now I'm going to add some butter into my hot skillet. Let that melt down and get all sizzly. And then I'm going to pour in my eggs. I like to have my heat really high when I first pour my eggs in, and then I reduce the heat, and that makes the fluffiest eggs when you do it that way. So fluffy. So I'm going to go ahead and just cook these eggs, not all the way. When you make these eggs, you want them to still be a little bit wet when you bring it off the heat. So you don't want to cook them all the way. See how it's just a little bit wet, just a little bit? That is perfect. When it's like that, go ahead and spread it onto your cooked pizza crust, just like this. Now I like to use a nice little chopping motion because that breaks up the eggs and it also helps them to spread evenly over the pizza crust. All right, so just do a little chopping motion until everything is all spread out, just like this right here. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so now we're going to add our cheese. All right, it's ready for the cheese. I'm using some smoked Gouda cheese. It's a processed cheese, and some mild cheddar cheese. I like using at least one processed cheese because it makes it so creamy when it melts down. And this pizza does not have a sauce on it, and you don't need it. It tastes so good without any type of sauce on it. All right, now I'm going to add in my toppings. I'm going to add my bacon. I'm using turkey bacon. I'm using some turkey sausage. Next comes a little bit of green bell peppers. And like I said, you can add whatever you would normally like on your omelet. It will taste good here. And my kids do not like bell peppers and onions and stuff on their regular pizza, but they do like it on this breakfast pizza. And I think it's because of the scrambled eggs. Kind of, calms it down a little bit. I don't know, but they like it. So if you have kids who do not like peppers and stuff, they just might like it on this. You can keep it simple and just do cheese and sausage if you want to. Don't matter. Okay, so here is my breakfast pizza looking all good. I'm gonna pop this bad boy into the oven and let all those cheeses melt down for about 10 minutes, just until those peppers are tender and that cheese is melted. And now we are done. Go ahead and sprinkle on some fresh parsley. That fresh parsley just makes it look all pretty and stuff. And that is it, you guys. We are done. Easy, quick breakfast pizza that the whole family will love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and check out my other videos. Later.